So our three themes are comprehensive, collaborative, and controlled. And we think we need all of this together to be successful in this journey. Let's take a look at those. So comprehensive is really about all rebate types, okay? And it's about having total flexibility for commercial teams to build the agreements that give them the outcomes they need. You know, that's so important, rather than constraining commercial teams. So comprehensive support for all types of rebates. And often companies start with those annual volume agreements and then evolve and create much more surgical, kind of focused agreements as well. And one of the phrases that I heard from someone in the room today is going from a sledgehammer to a scalpel. You know, an annual agreement, X% on all purchases is pretty much a sledgehammer, so that's fine. But you know, we are seeing this kind of scalpel approach much more now. Individual customers, individual products, specific date ranges, this is the incentive. So total flexibility and comprehensive cover. Now, the world has put out a requirement for us all to be more nimble, and for us, the answer to that, once again, is this other C word, which is collaboration, okay? Again, this used to be only the finance team that used a piece of software to manage their rebates. But this is about collaborating across your business. So it's about having your sales team, your purchasing team, your finance team, everyone using it. And then it's about going upstream in your supply chain. Get your suppliers using it. And it's about going downstream in your supply chain. And we have many of you that are doing both. You literally have your suppliers logging in, you have your customers logging in, all of your teams logging in, and they're all collaborating together and executing these agreements for mutual benefit. Remember, on average, our companies who do this are 91% more successful with the outcome than those that don't, 91%. And finally, of course, it all has to be controlled. You know, this has to be controlled, and equally importantly is the flexibility that your commercial teams need to negotiate the agreements that will drive the business. Finance have to be able to account for it. They have to be able to objectify this crazy deal that you've just negotiated and calculate it and accrue for it and forecast it. So it has to be controlled. It has to be secure. And ideally, what we found as well is it has to be controlled by both sides. Okay? So you want both sides, both trading partners who are trading together, to use their own data and control it themselves, and then you can compare, obviously, but you don't want to be reliant on someone else controlling, you know, the outcome of the agreement.